Hello everyone, I hope you're ready, because today we are going to be talking about the top 5 power drills. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Looking for a versatile and powerful cordless drill? Look no further than the Avid Power 20V cordless drill set. This drill features a 2-speed gearbox with 16 different torque settings, allowing you to easily drill through wood, metal, plastic, and more with its maximum 320 lbs torque. But this drill isn't just for drilling and screw driving, it's also equipped with spinning brush cleaning capabilities. With 3 different sizes and shapes of drill brushes included in the kit, you can easily clean your bathtub, bathroom sink, tile, shower, and even carpets. The extended reach attachment helps you clean those tight spaces or hard-to-reach areas. The Avid Power cordless drill is designed with your comfort and convenience in mind. It has a soft grip handle, ergonomic design, and a lightweight of only 2.3 lbs, making it easy to handle during long projects. The 3/8 keyless chuck allows for fast and easy bit changes, and it even comes with a double-ended screwdriver bit so you can start your projects right away. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, this drill provides more power and up to 25% more runtime than standard batteries. Say goodbye to self-discharge. This battery is always ready for use. The Avid Power cordless drill set also includes a charger, a 41-piece accessory set, including drill and screwdriver bits, cleaning brushes, a metal belt hook, an instruction manual, and US-based customer support. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Avid Power cordless drill set is a must-have tool that offers power, control, versatility, and convenience all in one package. Get yours today and take your projects to the next level. Looking for a versatile and powerful power tool combo kit? Look no further than the BLACKDECKER 20V Max cordless drill and impact driver. This combo kit includes a drill forward/driver and an impact driver, making it perfect for all your screw driving tasks and drilling needs in wood, metal, and plastic. With its 3/8-inch chuck size, the drill forward/driver is ideal for a wide range of applications. It features an 11-position clutch that helps prevent stripping and overdriving of screws while providing extra control. The variable speed trigger allows you to progress at your own pace and even countersink without damaging the material. The impact driver is a real powerhouse with its high-performance transmission delivering a maximum torque of 1,375 N-pound. Its 1/4-inch hex chuck features a quick-release mechanism for fast and easy bit changes. Both tools in this combo kit are designed to be compact and lightweight, allowing easy maneuverability in tight spaces. You won't feel wiped out after using them. Plus, they both have built-in LED work lights to illuminate work surfaces in low-light conditions. What sets this power tool combo kit apart is the PowerConnect battery system. You can use one battery for multiple different tools, making it convenient and cost-effective. The kit includes the LDX120 drill forward/driver, BDCI20 impact driver, LBXR 2020V Max PowerConnect lithium-ion battery, battery charger, and 2 driver bits. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the BLACKDECKER 20V Max cordless drill and impact driver combo kit is a reliable choice that will help you get the job done efficiently and effectively. The Bosch GSI12V140FCV22 cordless electric screwdriver is a versatile tool that offers outstanding flexibility in a compact design. With its 5-in-1 functionality, this power drill set provides everything you need for various drilling and driving applications. The kit includes a locking bit holder, a keyless chuck, an offset angle, and a right angle attachment that can easily be clicked onto the tool. In terms of convenience, the keyless chuck attachment ensures a secure grip on drill bits, making it perfect for drilling into difficult materials. The included LED light illuminates dark work areas effectively, and its afterglow function keeps the light on for 10 seconds after the tool is turned off. Security is also prioritized with the locking bit holder attachment, which ensures that hex bits stay in place during high-torque driving or drilling. This feature gives you peace of mind knowing that your bits won't slip or become loose. The Bosch GSI12V140FCV22 is adjustable to accommodate tight workspaces with its right angle attachment. This attachment works seamlessly with the other 3 attachments and allows you to access hard-to-reach areas with ease. For precision screw driving near edges, the offset angle attachment is your go-to tool. It offers 16 different rotating positions, allowing you to achieve precise results in any situation. Experience the convenience and precision of the Bosch GSI12V140FCV22 cordless electric screwdriver 12V kit's versatile design that effortlessly handles a wide range of drilling and driving tasks. Introducing the WorkPro Pink Household Tool Kit with Drill, a versatile and practical tool set designed for all your home maintenance and DIY projects. Not only does this tool kit come in a charming pink color, but it also supports a great cause. With every purchase, WorkPro Tools donates 25 cents to the National Breast Cancer Foundation, Inc., assisting those affected by breast cancer. This high-quality tool kit is constructed from heat-treated CRV for strength and durability, making it resistant to corrosion and rust. The pink drill driver included in this set features 2 speed settings and 19 torque options, offering great variability for a wide range of applications. The classic all-round pink tool kit includes essential tools such as a drill driver, bits, hammer, adjustable wrench, and more, making it suitable for both men and women. All these tools are neatly organized in a convenient tool bag with a wide mouth opening for easy access. While using the drill, please note that sparks are relatively contained and normal. However, if you notice intermittent and violent sparks around the motor, power cord, or battery compartment, it indicates an issue that requires repair. Safety is our priority. To ensure your work area remains safe, keep it well ventilated to minimize the ignition potential of debris or gas. Get the WorkPro Pink Household Tool Kit with Drill today and enjoy the functionality and style it brings to your home projects. Your purchase not only helps you get the job done but also contributes to a worthy cause. Looking for the perfect gift for the handyman or handywoman in your life? The WorkPro Pink Cordless Drill Driver Set is not only a practical and powerful tool, but it also supports a great cause. With each purchase, WorkPro Tools donates 25 cents to the National Breast Cancer Foundation, Inc., helping women affected by breast cancer through early detection, education, and support services. This cordless drill driver is powered by a Max 20V motor and a 1.5 hour lithium-ion battery, providing strong and steady power for any task. The battery is easy to change and charge, ensuring you won't be left stranded without power. With variable 2-speed settings, 0 to 400 RPM and 0 to 1500 RPM, this drill offers versatility for multiple purposes. It also features 21 1-torque position clutch, allowing precise adjustment of torque as needed. The large 3/8 keyless chuck ensures superior bit retention for added convenience. Not only is this drill powerful, but it's also safe and comfortable to use. The soft grip handle provides added comfort and control, reducing fatigue during use. Plus, the built-in LED light increases security and safety when working in dark areas. The WorkPro Pink Cordless Drill Driver Set is more than just a tool, it's a statement of support and empowerment. Get the job done with style, while making a positive impact on the fight against breast cancer. We're glad you watched our video about the top 5 power drills and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.